how to put banner on bed in Minecraft. So first what you need is of course a bed, so just put it right there. And if you want to make a customized banner, just get the loom and just open it up, put your banner and put any dye that you want. As you can see, all of these will pop up. So let's say I want this one, so just simply click on it, and now I have a white banner with this customization. And to put it on the bed, you need a data pack, and to get that, it's pretty simple. So I'll put the link for this website right here. So once you've clicked on it, and once you're here, just simply click on download button right here, and it will bring you to a new site. So just click on continue. It will bring you right here, and just simply click on download right there at the top, and just simply click your game version. So I have mine set to 1.10 and a platform, just simply set it to data pack, and just click on download. Now it will be down right here, so I'm just going to put it to my downloads and click on save. Just wait for it, and just simply go back to Minecraft and just click on save and quit the title. Click on single player, then go to the world you were on earlier, then click on edit. Now click on open world folder, then also open up the downloads folder that we had earlier. So I have mine right here. So once that's done, just simply go to the data packs here on the world folder, click on that, and just simply drag or paste the zip file that we downloaded. So we're just gonna put it right there. Once that's done, that's basically it. So exit out of this and open up your world again. Now once you're back, you just simply need to get your banner, then just hold shift on your keyboard and right click on the bed, and as you can see, it will be automatically added right there. That's how I basically put banner on bed in Minecraft.